Mickey McDonald, my own TV station live from Sydney, Nova Scotia. Massive snowstorm is headed towards Nova Scotia on Monday, February the 23rd, 2026. It's going to bring 30 plus centimeters of snow, and winds are going to be really strong. That's going to cause blowing and drifting snow, reduced visibilities, and dangerous and treacherous traffic conditions, and streets, roads, highways, and Trans-Canada Highway will be snow covered. It's going to hit Halifax and Cape Breton, including Sydney, including New Glasgow and Antigonish, Amherst, Truro, Shelburne, Liverpool, Lunenburg, Digby, Kentville, Shelburne, Yarmouth. It's going to bring so much snow, drifts, and very strong winds. People in Nova Scotia, be prepared. Have your winter gear ready. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till last minute. Do it right now. Order your pizzas and Chinese food, buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. Have your smartphones, cell phones, laptops, and tablets charged. Have your 3G, 4G, 5G, and LTE ready. So when you drive a car, take your time, drive a car, slow down, so you don't get in a car accident. When you go for a walk, be very careful walking, see adults up fall. Make sure if your furnace and heat pumps ready, turn on your furnace and heat pumps to keep those warm. Drink a lot of green tea, white tea, red to keep warm. So have your shovels, snow scoops, snow blowers, snow plows, south trucks ready. So if you have anybody live in Nova Scotia, be prepared for a massive snowstorm on Monday, February 23rd, 2026. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a massive snowstorm. Stay warm and be safe.